Law of assumption states that everyone is you pushed out. So technically there could be an argument made that the issues that turned your companion into your ex-companion were created in your mind. They were created by your state of being that you chose to reside in. I do believe that that is true. I do believe that in relationships, I have full control of my experience. And so if your state of being created the challenges that led to the end of this affair, then certainly your state of being could create the rendezvous that would lead to the rekindling of this affair. But though you already knew that, you're here because you want to know, should you manifest your ex back? Well, I won't tell you what to do exactly. I'll just say that I have never intended to manifest an ex back or anybody that I felt did me wrong terribly. Instead, I focused on closure. I focused on achieving peace of mind, of attracting acceptance for the way things were. Granted, I am pretty positive I have never loved a romantic partner to the fullest capacity, and there are reasons for this. So I can understand if you are madly in love with this person. I can understand if it hurts to let them go, if it hurts to be without them. You have put so much time and energy into this one person. You've put your dreams for your future into them. You've penciled them into your schedule. You don't just do that for just anyone. That took a lot out of you. And now they've taken it all with them wherever they've gone. And they're likely going to give the best of themselves to someone else. That sounds awful. But even with all these realities in mind, it still honestly feels like a misuse of creative energy to manifest a specific person back, when you could instead harness your energy to attract to you understanding, mental clarity, emotional healing, acceptance, self-love. You could use your mind to go above manifesting this specific person and instead focus on manifesting the most magnificent version of yourself, so that whether or not they ever come back to you, it really wouldn't matter, because you're so full of yourself. Your self-worth is on another level. Your self-concept is so fine-tuned. You know who you are and what you deserve, and you know that you are not just limited to creating worthy experiences through this one specific person. This is all just my opinion, and you are more than welcome to disagree. But just from me, this feels more powerful. I feel more empowered. With this, my movements are liberated, and they can be more creative when I'm coming from this mindset. Yes, everyone is you pushed out, but I cannot influence everyone or anyone favorably if I cannot maintain self-control. And so, with this and with anything, I always start with me. It's not that I'm saying you should not attract your ex back. What I am instead saying is that my main intention, really my only priority, is becoming a better version of myself. A version of myself that is capable of passively attracting him back even without my direct focus. Secondly, using my energy in this way, it genuinely feels like the path of least resistance. It feels like the law of non-resistance. It's like the art of not trying. It's the art of easing, which is actually a certain way to manifesting anything or anyone you desire by simply not trying to, and instead becoming the person that they would naturally be attracted to. Migrate to a confident state of being where your preferences are naturally met, whether or not they are directly focused on. So again, I am not telling you what you should do or what you should think. You are a whole spiritual being capable of creating or dismantling any circumstance you see fit. From my perspective, Sweet Pea, it's just simply more in alignment with the laws of the universe to approach the situation from this mental space, to use your energy to fine-tune yourself, to focus on your internal environment, to use your energy to emigrate to a state of being where the conditions are more preferable to you, which clearly you must need to do. If you find yourself in a circumstance like this and you agree it's uncomfortable for you, which must be the reason why you clicked on a video like this. To summarize, you could not have lost him or her if everything was okay with you on the inside, provided that losing this person was not your intention and it hurts now, it bothers you now. Those have been my condensed thoughts on manifesting back your ex. And with that being said, thank you for watching this video. I truly do hope you enjoyed it. If you did, I trust you'll give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more content just like this one. So, how did you like today's video, and what video do you want to see next? Let me know in the comments section down below. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Toodles.